Do you often have extra guests for booking? You can now use our additional guest fee rule to set the rate or percent increase you charge for extra guests while booking your rental. Let's take a look at how it's done. From the Strategies overlay, navigate to the far right and click the New button to add a new rule. Then select the Additional Guest rule from the drop-down list. You can now edit the additional guest fee settings for your strategy. Next, set the additional guest fee for the rate strategy in order to allow occupancy-based rates to be pushed to channels connected to any assigned rentals. Once this rule is added to a strategy, assigned rentals can have their additional guest fee customized further by updating the matching fields in the rental rate settings. This can be set as either a flat fee increase or a percent increase based on the nightly rate. If you choose to set a percent additional guest fee, then you will need to make sure that your channel listing is configured to accept a percent fee to ensure that your rates translate correctly on your channel rates calendar. Let's take a further look at additional fees and additional percent. The additional fee represents the amount that is added to the nightly rate for each extra guest, up to the maximum guest count set on the channel for your listing. This is overridden by any value set in the rental rate settings. The additional percent represents the percent increase made on the nightly rate for each extra guest, up to the maximum guest count set in the channel for your listing. This is overridden by values set in the rental rate settings. For this example, we'll be setting a flat fee increase of $25 for each additional guest. Next, you'll want to enter a guest threshold to set the guest count after which the additional guest fee will be added to the nightly rate. This value is added to each night of the guest booking. In the example here, we have set our guest threshold at 2, meaning that the third and fourth guests will each be charged $25 for each night of the stay, as we accept a maximum of 4 guests in our rental. This is also overridden by value set in the rental rate settings. When you're done, click the Save button to save the rules to the strategy. You can see here that the newly created additional guest rule has been added to the rules list. And that's it. The additional guest fee rule is just one of the many exciting features with RateGenie.